ugly guy? Hi, Lily. You say hello?
Hello.
Is that your brother?
Yeah.
Is he melting out of your lap? Careful. There you go.
I want to hear it.
Yeah. What are you going to do today?
I'm going to have a party.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Oh, he has the hand.
Gentle with his hands. Gentle with his hands, Lily.
Hands, hands, hands. Hands, hands, hands.
Okay, I think I need to rescue him. He's really melting out of your lap now.
Okay.
You say bye?
Bye.